Object-oriented design and programming. This session we are going to discuss about template. In template we are going to discuss about the function template. Okay, just we can see the introduction for template. You can create functions and classes that work with different data types without needing to rewrite them for each type. This is possible using the generic programming. When generics, you write a template, a blueprint for a function or class. When you use that function or class, you can specify the data type you want it work with. Here's how it's work. Templates. C++ uses templates to create generic functions and classes. Using templates, once you have defined a template, you can use it with different data type. This makes your code more flexible and reusable. Standard template library may includes many templates for common data structures and algorithms such as vectors, list and sorting functions. Types of templates. So here we have two types of template. One is about the function template, another one is about the class template. So this function template allow you to write a function that can work with different data types. You define the function once using a template. This template specifies a placeholder for the data type you want to use. For example, you can write a function template to compare two values, and the function will work whether you pass in integers, floats or strings. So what will be called as the class template. So it provides a blueprint for creating classes that can handle different types of data. Like function templates, you can specify the data type you want the class to work with. The compiler then creates a class tailored to the data type. Function template. So in function template, it's work in similar manner as function but with one key difference. If you need to perform in identical operations on two or more types of data, then you can use function overloading. But better approach you would be use function templates because you can perform this task by writing less code and code is easier to maintain. Why function template? So templates are initiated at compile time. Templates are used less code than overloaded C++ functions. Templates are type safe since the compiler generates code based on the data type you specify. It ensures that the function or class works only with that type. This prevents you from accidentally mixing incompatible types and helps avoid type related errors. Template also allow user defined specialization. So while templates work with different types generally, you can also define special case for certain types. Template allow non-type parameters also. So templates can also accept parameters that are not types, such as integers, characters or other constants. This lets you create functions and classes with more flexibility and customization. So we can see the function template syntax. So it starts with template and class T. So T some function, T with argument. The template type keyword specifies can be either class or type name. So here we can give the class name or we can give the type name also. So both will work. So we can discuss one example. So in this example, we have given the template type name and the template name is T. So here the program defines the function template name sum that take two parameters, nothing but n1 and n2. So the function adds n1 and n2 together, both are n2 together, and returns the result in RS. The main function having the two integer variable a and b and declared with value 10, 20. So the program uses the sum function template to add a and b and stores in C. It then uses the sum function template to add I and j and store the result in the long integer variable k. So c is also used to store at sum of a comma b, and k is also used to store sum of I comma j, but the data type is different. Here a b having the integer and I j having the data type as long. So this way you only need one function template sum that works for both int and long data types, and showing the flexibility and reusability of templates in C++. Same like this is another one example. So here we having the function name as multiply with two parameters, and int main having the two variable with integer data type, also with the float data type, and we are going to do multiplication. So multiplication with integer values and float values, and combinations of integer and float, and when you are executing we'll be getting the answer for this one. Thank you.